I'm doing it to depth. Again, using a HNT Gordon dado plane. This isn't quite wide enough, but my next one is too wide. So what I'm doing is I'm going like that and then moving across, and that'll give me the depth. Now we can run the dovetail in. So if you look at that at the moment, we've got a square joint. Now I'm going to put a dovetail, half dovetail on this edge here, using HNT Gordon dovetail plane. Doesn't take much to get the dovetail, and then we've got a little bit of messing around fitting it. See how they all come off? Alright, now if I hold that up to the camera, you can see I've now got an angle on it there. Blade's a little bit deep, but that's fine. Then we will see how much we've got to take off. Yep, a little bit more to go. No gap there. We're looking pretty good there. So, two things I can do. I can keep working and take a bit more of the slide out down the bottom here, or I might even put a little bit. You're not meant to, but sometimes it's okay to just take a little bit off the tail itself and see how that goes. I would advocate taking it out of the socket, not the tail, but after you've done it a few times, sometimes you've got to play the odds. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It'll push home. Nice tight joint, not coming out. Tied in there, not too bad in the bottom.